In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Microsoft Teams meetings and use Copilot to generate instant summaries and key takeaways. This is a simple workflow that can make your meetings much easier to review later, especially if you want a recording, a written transcript, and a quick recap of the most important points. As we go, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect on screen so the process feels straightforward from start to finish. Begin by joining or starting your meeting in Microsoft Teams the way you normally would. Once you're inside the meeting, move your cursor so the meeting controls toolbar appears at the top of your screen. If the controls are hidden, that's normal. Just moving your mouse should bring them into view. Next, click the More button, shown as 3 horizontal dots. This opens a menu with additional meeting options. From there, hover over Record and Transcribe, then select Start Recording. At this point, Teams will begin recording the meeting, and depending on your settings, participants may see a notification letting them know recording has started. That's helpful for transparency and for making sure everyone is aware the session is being captured. After recording has started, click the Copilot icon on the meeting toolbar. This will open the Copilot panel on the right side of your screen. Inside that panel, you can interact with Copilot during the meeting itself. You can ask questions directly or choose one of the suggested prompts to generate live meeting notes, action items, or summaries while the conversation is happening. This is especially useful if you want to keep track of decisions, identify follow-up tasks, or quickly catch up on part of the discussion without interrupting the flow of the meeting. When the meeting is finished, go back to the More button again. Open Record and Transcribe, and then select Stop Recording. This ends the recording process and ensures the meeting content can finish processing properly afterward. Once the meeting has ended, you can find everything in one place. Your full recording, transcript, and AI-powered Copilot recap will be available afterward in the meeting chat or under the Recap tab. That makes it easy to revisit the discussion, review what was said, and share important takeaways with anyone who needs them. That's all it takes to record and summarize your meetings using Microsoft Teams and Copilot. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.